What's up? It's me, your favorite British YouTuber.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your favorite Irish YouTuber. What? I don't. Okay, we got Judy Star Wars is the name
Of your channel?
Yeah.
What up? It's MEDC and National Broadcast W Show. And if you've seen my other videos, I do shout out videos too. So, today we will be doing a shout out video. My hair's messed up. Yeet. No, it's not messed up. My phone!
I just put contact in.
Okay, so, as you know, this girl, she put my code on YouTube. This girl put my code on YouTube. Oh, that showed Emma. I mean, this girl. She put my code on YouTube. Are you? He's playing Destiny. You. So,
Dude, what the heck?
watch.
Oh, wait a minute.
See?
Oh my god.
Okay, so my shout out goes to Fun Girl Subscribe. She won the award, so she gets $10. Hooray! Second. Okay. Whatever he is doing. And today we will be doing a fun thing.
Shout out.
So, as you know, my first shout out goes to Slime Girl Subscribe. My second shout out goes to Judy Star Wars. He wins $5. And my last shout out goes to Briley, where she only wins $2.
At least I help in videos.
You just pulled the camera. You just told the camera. Just be happy that I'm giving you a shout out.
Okay.
So, and my top shout out goes to SS Sniper Wolf. She nice. She nice YouTuber.
I'm trying to break out. I just broke out of the side.
Are you